thank this company for sending me these flags. I know they don't look like flags, but if you're a homeowner or a business owner for that matter, you're always needing to do something, to mark something. Maybe a mark where a sidewalk goes, maybe something with your landscaping. I'm going to put these up because I'm thinking about adding onto a fence, so I want to see where it's at. Or maybe you want to mark something in your yard you don't want to dig up. There's a million reasons for these, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. So here's how I'm using them. I'm starting to put them out so I can get an idea of where my fence is going to be. I'm starting to run it out here. Now you can get a good vision, you know, of your fence line without having to worry about it. I'm going to bring it back all the way over there. So eventually I'm going to have all these flags in a line straight up through there. I'll not only know where my fence is at, but I'll know where the posts are being digged. And it's just a convenient item to have around the house for sure.